As always, your recipe videos are coming out well. But best part, I was able to grab a plate of your recipe mutton dum biryani today. Trust me, the spices and taste of the recipe made me eat a lot more. Thank you so much, Mahi. Now please don't be so formal about saying all this. I feel good to have you over all time. But yes, I agree with you. The food just made us like two lazy bears on a uphill that can't even move an inch. I hope my stomach doesn't blast out. Yes, Tali, same here. I can't even move an inch from here. I would rather have a call a crane mover to pick me up all way. Come on, Mahi, let us have a walk out to feel better.
There you are, Kiran. You seem to be more like a sleeping sloth now. I hope you enjoyed the lunch.
Yes, uncle. Honestly speaking, I loved Talli's mutton dum biryani a lot. And my stomach is bloated right now. I couldn't resist having it more. Hope she didn't mind.
Not at all, my child. She doesn't mind at all. Okay, Kiran, why don't you get some rest while I go check on the girls as well? Hope they're doing fine as well. Talli's mother, I don't see the girls around. I did go upstairs, but didn't find them. By any chance, do you know where they will be?
Yes, they both just stepped out to have a walk. To feel better, it seems the girls were overloaded.
Alright, hope they return back safe before it gets too dark. Alright, Talli's mother, let me go freshen up a bit.
It feels so calm. Hope you feel better, Mahi. Yes, Tali, it does really feel relaxed, and as we both love being around with nature, feels blessed. Yes, come on, let us have a seat over there on the bench. Let me tell you something, Tali. You as a person I know was always a person who kept herself away from kitchen. What inspired you so much? You still haven't told me the same yet. I have been asking you this from the day you started your channel. Yes, Mahi, you're right. I had been more of away from kitchen or cooking on my own. To tell you my inspiration, nothing such as. But yes, when situation arise, you always need to be prepared to handle it. The same way I started following my instinct and went ahead with having my own cooking channel. Such a simple and beautiful thought, Tali. You are always the same, a kind, humble nature girl, which anyone would love to be around with you. Tell me more the recipes or dishes you have cooked so far. Don't you feel that it might bore you in some or the other way? Hope you don't stop uploading your recipes to all of us. Thank you, Mahi, for such a lovely compliment. Mahi, it being my passion for cooking, I would never stop sharing them with all of my viewers and everyone. Okay, now let's go home. Father had called to have us back home. Sure, Tali. Let's go.
Feels better after freshening up. As well, the girls are heading back to home their way. Let's see how Talli's video upload is going far. Not bad. Talli's recipe upload of today has been going well so far. Hope to see my child's cooking passion going on and cook more delicious recipes for all of the viewers. Someone's at the door. Let me go have a check. I hope the girls are back. Hope you all liked watching this episode with us today. Happy Sunday everyone, and do like, share and subscribe my child's channel, Talli's Kitchenette. Do stay safe, stay home.